In this video, we'll see how we can create the cover and use as a thumbnail for our video. So this can be created and edited in CapCut. Uh, we can use other application like Canva and other tools we are using. So same way we can edit inside the CapCut. So left side here there's option cover. If I click on it, new window will open, and in this window the first screenshot will be taken from our video clip. So this you can see here, the screenshot is taken from the video clip. If I click on replace, I can select it from my computer, and second I can again go to video, and from here whatever clip screenshot I want, I can just click on it and save it like this one. Once I save, you can see it replaced with the new screenshot. Then right side here we can edit this photo. I can give here, select the filter options, same the way we are using in Canva. Different filter I can apply. So this looks brighter. Snacks, I will go with it. Again, there are so many options, layers I can lock, and I can edit in background. So if you want it to crop the image, we can crop it 9:16. This is for like a mobile. And the next is effects option. If I click on it, you can see here there are different preset is available to use. We can give blur effect for our picture. So if I select blur, you can see the full video is now blur. And this is the glass blur. Oh, it looks like a full blurry. We cannot have clear view. Then background removal. If I turn on, it will start detecting and removing background, because in this photo there is no object, such object like a person, animal or something, so it cannot remove, and it's giving the message here that there is no object found. But this feature can be usable. And now adjust, in this tab we can adjust the color for our picture, like I can make it more brighter, more colorful. So same way which we are using for our video in CapCut, we can use for thumbnail as well. These are the similar options. If I make lighter, now you can see the picture is more brighter and more colorful than before. As the original, it's better than original looks like now. And if I increase the shadow, if I decrease the shadow, you can see here it is like more shadow you can see of these buildings, which looks nice as well. Opacity option, there is one more option, opacity. So we can adjust the opacity for the picture. And when we have multiple pictures, especially that time, these options will be very good to use for play with the picture. Adjust the picture. In arrange, we can arrange it top, left, middle, because there is only one picture. If there are another text or something, we can do that as well. And then left side, you can see here there are more options. We can add templates. These are the templates preset available. If I click on it, it will be directly added to the thumbnail. So if I select this one, so this is the thumbnail which I select. So this template is look good, so I will take it for this demo. Then there is option below it which is design option, and if I click on it, there are preset designs. So the font will be changed plus the color. See, As soon as I'm clicking on it, it's changing the color plus the font. So in this case, we can save the time. If anything suitable, we can use it directly. So I will go with the default one which we take from another template. And there is an option for upload the image as well. So we can select it from our video and we can select it from PC as well. So here again this same window will open, and if I select it from this option, then the window will open to select from our PC. So here I take one image from my PC and just click on it, and it will be in our thumbnail picture. Likewise, we can add those images, we can edit it. So there are all the options available in CapCut which can be usable to create a cover, a thumbnail. So now this is the option left side. Next is text option, and on text there are some text available like these presets. I can use it and we can drag it wherever we want in our picture. Like this one, I will delete this one. I don't want. I will rename this. Like in this picture there is one signal, so I will write it signal. Next is shapes. So there are different shapes which we can use to show something, to point out something. Plus we can use as a background for text and different purpose. There are lines. So if I take this square shape, which is a round square, and I will use as a background for the one text which we take, and I will send it to the backward. Now you can see for this text which is signal, I can use as a background. And the next option here is stickers. So there are many stickers available which same we are using in our video, we can use for this thumbnail as well. So if I click on it, you can see different categories. If I select the arrow category, there are many arrows. I will take it, adjust it here, and then these stickers like butterfly stickers, I will take one just for this demo to show how we can take the stickers. This option is frames. Frames we can use for our image in background, so it will look nicer. I will take this frame, I will rotate it, and I will put it for this butterfly, the one sticker which we take. I will send this frame as a backward layer. Now see, this butterfly is fitted in the frame, and for this frame background also we can adjust the transparency, so only butterfly can be visible in the frame. This text I don't want, I will delete it. I will adjust it properly, and now you can see it looks little bit nicer, the thumbnail which we are creating. And there are so many templates like this. Our picture is now in half and the text in half, so we can edit we can save it the full picture, and we can add text on it also. And this option which is collage, so if I select, you can see in the right side whatever collage option I select, these are coming in the right side picture. So in that particular shapes we can adjust our picture, different pictures as well. So these are the options in CapCut to create thumbnail, add cover for our video, and so many means whatever requirement to create a cover, all the options are available. So without using any other app, you can create the thumbnail inside CapCut. So here is the layers, and we can play with layers also from here directly. If you want some picture to go to the background or come to the forward, in this case we can use this option. So I will put it back again, and then we will save it. So I will click on save, and now this cover is added in our timeline. You can see here this cover. Before there is no cover here. So when we export the video, at that time this cover will be exported separately, so we can use that cover when we are uploading our video on YouTube or another platform. So this is, you can see, as soon as I'm going to export it, I'm going with default options, and if I click on export, now the video is exported. And if I open in my PC, so here the CapCut folder, see, it's exported with cover. So this is my video and this is the cover. If I open this one, this is how our thumbnail looks like. So this is how we can use the cover option in CapCut.